In this video today, getting started with your digital marketing strategy, part 9C. So let's get on with it. All 22 kinds of Google ads, when and exactly how to make use of them. Google Smart Campaigns. What are they? Smart campaigns are fully automated ads in Google. How do they work? Smart campaigns are created and managed by Google. You'll just have to provide some initial information during the setup process. These campaigns advertise your business across Google search, maps and other placements like YouTube or partner sites. When creating a Google ad account, Google will automatically prompt you to create a smart campaign. It will ask for information like your business website URL, your ideal keyword themes, and your business address or Google business profile to create a customized strategy for you. The drawback, of course, is you won't necessarily be able to pick and choose exactly how your campaign will serve. Who they're best for? Advertisers that don't have a lot of time to manage their Google Ads accounts could benefit from this fully automated type of campaign. But in general, we don't recommend using smart campaigns since you don't have much control. Types. Smart campaigns can serve search ads or display ads just like the ones mentioned above. Pros and cons. Since Google creates and manages this campaign type, you're saving lots of time, but lack of manual control can mean a lot of trial and error with Google machine learning. Google Performance Max campaigns. What they are. Another automated type of Google ad campaign. Performance Max wraps up all your assets in one swoop for a goal-based advertising across all of Google networks. This means that your ads could show on the SERP, in Google Maps, across the Google Display Network, YouTube, Gmail, and Discovery networks. How do they work? You give Google a main goal along with assets and information about your products or services so that the platform can auto-generate ads across all available placements. You're letting Google use machine learning to identify the best performing assets, combinations and placements. Who they're best for. Since Performance Mac requires a goal to be sent in order for it to work, it's best for accounts that have specific conversation goals already set up. Also, as mentioned in our Performance Max guide, it's best for e-commerce businesses at this time as opposed to lead generation businesses. Types. Performance Mac will put out almost every type of ad possible across all placements. Performance Max pros and cons. Here are the pros and cons of Performance Max campaigns. Pros: target multiple placements with just one campaign. Focus on performance drivers. Testing and assessing everything in one place can help you make strategic decisions faster. Cons: requires a marketing budget some advertisers may not be able to afford. PMax needs to be able to collect a good chunk of data to fully optimize out of its initial learning period. So if you don't have at least $50 to $100 to spend per day, you may fail to see your desired results. Not for beginners. PMax requires you to provide a number of assets, including text, images, logos, videos, feeds, audience data, geo-targeting preferences, and more. An advertiser totally new to the PPC game might not yet know what would be the best to plug into a Performance Max campaign. Not recommended for lead generation businesses. Requires an understanding of how your other campaigns are impacted. When PMax and search campaigns have overlapping targets, here's which campaign will get entered into the auction. Google Ad Apps campaign. What they are. Apps campaigns are meant to drive download or engagement with your apps and can appear on search, Google Play, YouTube, Discover, on Google Search, and the Google Network display. They look similar to that of other campaigns with a few lines of text and an image of the app depending on the placement. How they work. The ads are created using the text and images provided in your App Store listing, and you decide on other campaign settings like budget or location. Google takes the campaign information and settings you provide to know when to best serve your app ad for you. Who they're best for. App campaigns are only applicable to advertising that have an app. Types. There are 3 different types of app campaign ads. App installs. These will have a download button. App engagements. Drive existing app users to a specific landing page. App pre-registration. Android only. Build an audience for your app before it is released on Google Play. Google Ads Discovery campaign. What they are. Discovery is another automated Google ad campaign, a type that allows advertisers to show ads across all of Google feed placements to increase, you guessed it, discovery of your products and services. Those feed placements include Gmail, the promotions and social tab feeds, YouTube, the home feed and watch next feed, and the Google app, the discovery feed. How they work. Similar to other campaigns run by Google, you have to say in the ad access you provide, like text and images, but when it comes to managing actual placements of your ads, the platform takes care of all for you. Who they're best for. If you're looking to reach new audiences, discovery is the name of this campaign game. So it can be a great option for businesses looking to drive brand awareness via media-rich ads. However, with a potential audience of up to 3 billion, only smart bidding options and full automation, this type of Google ad campaign requires you to put your foot on the gas without expecting to do a ton of campaigning oversight. If you like a lot of manual control, this campaign type might not be for you. Types. Google creates text, images and video ads across users' feeds within Gmail, YouTube and Google Apps. Pros and cons. Helpful for businesses looking to grow that don't have a huge audience yet, but offer little control over placements. I do hope this has enlightened you a little bit more. If you like my videos, please click the like button below and also press the bell up the top to get notifications when I put the next video up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and please come back. Cheerio for now.